This is your Human Geography Choice Board. You'll see right here, we are working on the same skill as physical geography, synthesizing information from multiple sources to build knowledge. So what that looks like is, let me highlight this. What that looks like is I can synthesize information from multiple sources to develop new ideas. Broken down again, I can combine information from multiple sources, and I can get new ideas or information. The content that we are working on while we are practicing this skill of synthesizing information is learning about human geography and working on connecting human geography to the 5 themes of geography and using those 5 themes to understand human geography. Your directions for the choice board are right here. You are doing at least 5 total activities. Column A, column B, column C. Column A, you are doing 2 Edpuzzle videos. Column B, you are doing 2 of the 3 choices. And column C, you are doing 1 of the 3 choices. Any 2, any 1, you pick. Edpuzzle videos in column A. There are no slides for the Edpuzzle videos. The link will bring you to the video and the questions. You will do everything on Edpuzzle and do not need to turn anything in. So nothing will be turned in on Google Classroom for Edpuzzle videos. You will turn in your choices 1, 2, and 3, which are from column B and C, on Google Classroom. The assignment names are Human Geography, choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. Your target pace is 1 activity per class period. Your choice board is right here. So you'll see column A, picking 2 of the 3 activities. You have an Edpuzzle on what is human geography, an Edpuzzle on race, ethnicity, and culture, and an Edpuzzle on where and why do people move. Column B, right here, picking 2 of the 3 activities. You have a slide on human geography, right here. You have a slide on the 7 elements of culture, so looking at culture. And then there is another short Edpuzzle video for you to watch that looks at patterns of border conflict. So when people are moving, the conflicts that occur or conflicts that might force people to move, to help get some background information for demography and countries. So human geography, you're creating a map that identifies 10 different populations of peoples and cultures in the world. Your steps are right here. Read your steps. Steps 1 and 2 have the information you're going to use. 7 elements of culture. You are creating an A to Z list on culture. Steps 1 and 2 have the information to help you do this. Demography and countries, you are going to create a map that identifies at least 5 different demographic statistics about the human population. Steps 1, 2, and 3 have the information that you will use for this. Column C, pick 1 of the 3 activities, a human geography 1-pager, a culture 1-pager, or a migration and borders 1-pager. Human geography 1-pager, you are going to create a 1-pager that identifies, describes, and analyzes human geography in the world. Step 2 has what you need in order to do that. Culture 1-pager, you are going to create a 1-pager that identifies, describes, and analyzes cultures in the world. Step 2 has what you are going to need to do in order to do that. And migration and borders 1-pager. Create a 1-pager that identifies, describes, and analyzes migration and borders in the world. Again, step 2 has what you need to do in order to do that. If you look at the last step on every single slide, it will tell you what you are turning in. Every single slide. The last thing I want to look at on this with you is on the one-pager slides. Number 4 for human geography, remind you to list the sources you used in a separate document. Sources you used include the slideshows, articles, and videos from this choice board. So from any of these choices, the videos, the articles, the slideshows that you use from this slideshow or that you find on your own are sources you need to list. Culture one-pager, it reminds you to do that in step 4 as well. Migration and borders one-pager, it reminds you to do that in step 4 as well. List the sources that you have used. Human Geography Choice Board.